Man, it's really getting warm fast.
I hear that, Battle Cat, and that's cool, I thought, but now it's hot. Oh snap, better take off my cap, cause it's making me sweat. Global warming, I bet.
Word, dog, but what's this global warming you're talking about?
Global warming? Y'all fools don't act like y'all don't know nothing about global warming. Fun trip. Global warming's like the humans' blunder. Them crazy homo sapiens been messing up Mother Earth since day one with y'all automobiles and aeroplanes, factories and them sorts of things. But let me break it down for you real simple like. It's all about the warming of the globe, the greenhouse effects, the gases, the transportation of the masses, the nitrous and carbon oxides, the water vapor, the ozone layer, the CFCs, the burning trees, and the destruction it'll all bring later, you heard?
I'm not sure I completely understand what you're saying, little duck.
Duck? My name is Deuce Goose with a bottle of juice, son. And I know your ignorance is making it a chore to comprehend the dialogue that is coming through my beak. Listen up while I try to clarify this whole ordeal for your head.
Alright, story time.
Shush, fool. With all this pollution killing Mr. Ozone, y'all can expect to see an increase of temperature from 2 to 9 degrees Fahrenheit. This may seem small, but it ain't at all. An increase like this could cause drought, famine, rising sea levels, and other environmental disasters. But what is global warming? Global warming is when certain gases such as carbon dioxide retain heat in the Earth's atmosphere. These are called greenhouse gases because just like a greenhouse, they trap heat inside the atmosphere. But the greenhouse effect ain't all bad. If the Earth had no atmosphere, the average temperature would be 2.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Now with degrees such as these, we would definitely freeze. Now if we bring back the atmosphere, the average temperature rises to 57.2 degrees Fahrenheit. It's easy to understand the greenhouse effect, but what you need to understand is that it's very difficult to predict how the increase of greenhouse gases might alter the greenhouse effect, mainly because there are so many factors involved. Factors that include the atmosphere, the oceans, the Earth's cryosphere, the Earth's ice caps, snow caps, and glaciers, the biosphere, and the geosphere, aka the Earth's crust. These factors are like dominoes, all stacked in a row. A change of one can affect the others. What still remains a mystery is how clouds could affect global warming. Another unknown is the oceans. The oceans are the world's greatest heat sinks. It takes the ocean several hundred years to warm up just a few degrees, even under the worst case global warming scenarios. A major change in the Earth's cryosphere would profoundly affect global climate. Nearly half of the Arctic ice sheets melts each spring and summer. This ain't right because the ice sheets help cool the Earth's climate by preventing the warm water beneath it from coming in contact with the air and by reflecting 98% of the sunlight back into space. The biological activity of plants is also an important factor in global warming. More green plants means less carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Speaking of carbon dioxide, scientists found that when levels of CO2 rise, the temperature rises along with it. And when levels of CO2 drop, the temperature drops too. But carbon dioxide ain't the only gas that affects global warming. Other gases including methane, nitrous oxide, CFCs, carbon monoxide, ozone, and water vapor all affect global warming too. CFCs account for 17% of global warming, but a CFC ban would be financially difficult for industries.
You're an amazing storyteller, Mr. Goose.
Yeah, just make sure you listen to what I've been saying, get educated on the ways that you're wrong, and go plant a tree, punk.